just want to show you this really cool tip to save time when using YouTube to learn something. So I'm learning Davinci at the moment because it's just come onto the iPad, which is very exciting. And then I've opened up YouTube, and then there's this thing, is it any good at all? Which is a very good title because I'm like, I really want to know. And it's 23 minutes. So, but if I watch that, then that's 23 minutes of my productive time that's gone. So what I'm going to do is click that, press share so that I've got the link, and then I'm going to open up transcript. And then in here, basically I'm going to get the transcript. But wait, it gets better. So then you have the transcript, which is one way you could do it as well. You could just quickly read it because you're faster at reading than you are at watching the video, blah, blah, blah. And you can skip the, welcome to, this is what the iPad is, yeah. Anyway, so I'm just gonna start. The first thing is let's just try here. Don't start playing.
First thing I try.
No, here we go. So I want to just copy all the text, and you can sort of skim it while you're doing it to see if there's anything that jumps out at you that's really interesting. And it looks all very technical at the moment. In essence, it's the same. I can't see how basically. I just want to know: is it good or is it not good? I'm going into lots of detail, which I don't need to know about because I don't really know how to use the software yet. I did do this last night when I just pressed select all and it didn't work. Let's do that. So just copy, and then this is the really cool part. Open up ChatGPT. Now, if you haven't gotten obsessed about ChatGPT, then you are missing out because this is the coolest thing in the world. ChatGPT, like you can ask it anything. So I'm just gonna get it to summarize that text. Summarize, ... Command V to paste. And then let's see if it can do it. He says you, like he talks about, I don't know why I'm saying he, it says you are, thinking that I've written that, but what he means is he. So look, in one paragraph, I've got the whole gist of the whole thing. Let's see what he says. It says, it seems that you were discussing the use of Davinci Resolve editing software on iPad Pro. He mentioned that the software is not optimized for touch operation, and it feels like it has been ported from the desktop version. That's true, actually. When I've been using it, which I haven't used it that much yet, I don't find myself using the screen. In fact, I'm thinking of buying a mouse today. Anyway, you mentioned that the iPad version currently only has 2 pages, cut and color, which is true, and that the export function is simplified. You also mentioned that you've not yet tried to do a complete round trip of a project, meaning starting the project on the desktop, continuing it on the iPad, and then finishing on the desktop again. However, you noted that the ability to use software on both is a significant advantage as it allows for flexibility editing on different devices. Totally agree. Glad I didn't waste 20 minutes watching that. But can I just add, as a sort of reaction to that, the fact that it exists is really exciting, and it shows that this is the path forward, because I love editing on the iPad and I love editing on my phone, because I can be in the elevator, I can be in the airport, I can be anywhere, I can be on the plane, it's easy. When I get the laptop out and I'm like, I feel like I'm doing work, and it's not as fun. And yeah, so that it's going to be with all the functions. But the thing is, you can, when you get home, well, you can set up like all the templates and all the finicky stuff on the thing at home. And then when you're on the go, you can keep going. And that's the thing, when you're trying to like pump out a lot of content, you need to be able to keep going and not only be locked at home all the time. You know what I mean?